Friends, have you ever wondered how the water in a clay pot stays cool during the summer? Usually, we need electricity and fridges to cool water, so what natural process keeps the water in a clay pot cool? In today's episode, we will discuss this. So, let's start today's episode. Friends, before understanding why the water in a clay pot stays cool, we need to know how the pot is made. Clay pots are made from clay, which leaves tiny holes in them. These holes are so small that we can't see them. When the pot is filled with water, this water seeps through these tiny holes to the surface of the pot. Since it is summer, the air outside the pot is warm. When this warm air hits the water on the outer surface of the pot, the water starts to evaporate. We all learned in school that evaporation means turning water into vapor, and this process needs energy or heat. For evaporation, the water on the pot's surface takes heat from the water inside the pot. As the heat is taken from the water inside gets cooler. This process continues and the water stays cool. Let's understand this with another example. When you put petrol or diesel on your hand, you feel a cooling sensation. This is because petrol and diesel evaporate quickly. When they evaporate, they need heat, which they take from your hand, making your hand feel cool. Now, back to the topic. Another important point in keeping the water cool in the pot is the thermal insulation property of the clay. This property prevents external heat from entering the pot, keeping the water inside cool. The difference in temperature between the inside and outside of the pot speeds up the evaporation process. This natural way of keeping water cool is not only good for health, but also environmentally friendly. It saves electricity and reduces the use of plastic bottles, making clay pot water a great option. So, friends, next time you drink cool water from a clay pot, remember this amazing natural process. I hope you liked this information. If yes, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.